Hi everyone, how we are doing today? As you can see from the title, today's video is kind of different because I'll be doing an unboxing with you guys today. So I got a microphone which I've been longing to get for a while now. I had this very small microphone before when I started YouTube at first, but I didn't really enjoy it because sometimes it goes off when I'm using it and all. I had some kind of issues with the microphone and then I had to stop using it. Here is the microphone. I had to stop using it. I wasn't just enjoying it, and that's why you don't even see me with microphone. I just enhance my voice when I edit. So I don't know, I stopped using it. So I had to, I've been wanting to get a mic, like a podcast mic, like a tabletop one, which I really prefer, and I actually got it today. So here is it. Hey! So we're gonna be unboxing it now. Come along with me as I unbox. I got this from Amazon. So here is the microphone. As you can see, the name is Zealsound Professional Studio Microphone. Zealsound Professional Studio Microphone. And then I got like a cover for it as well. A mic cover. I'll be showing you now. Along with me. Here you go. Here we have it. So this is the cover. Oh, so fluffy. I love the feel. So now let's unbox the mic itself. Can you see that? Very fluffy, very lovely. Okay, let's get to unbox this right now and see how it works. Go. This is the handbook that came with it. I'm gonna drop the yeah, this is the knife, guys. I love the packaging. Can you see that? Yeah, this is what we're talking about. I love this. And I got the gold color. And you can see the cable that came alongside with it here. Wow, can you see? Can you see the mic? This is lovely. This is lovely. This is gorgeous. So I picked this color because I so much love the color. I saw a blue color, I saw a pink color, I saw plain black. But I preferred this. It's like a gold or a bronze color sort of. It's just so lovely. So I preferred to pick this one. So, oh, it even came with a mic cover. But I prefer this fluff. I prefer the fluffy one to this anyway. So this is it, guys. I love this. This is it. Can you see? Can you see? So this is very perfect for me. I just prefer it to this. Honestly, I prefer it to this. And so how much does it cost? I got this one, this fluffy cover. Let's see how it goes on it. Let's see how this goes on the okay. It's quite big, but I love it anyway. So this goes for I think $8.99 or so. Let me see. Yeah, this goes for £8.99. £8.99. I don't know if you can see that. It goes for $8.99. And then the microphone itself goes for £33 14 pence. But it's very strong, it's very sturdy. I just love the feel of it. I love everything about it. And so it's got the mute button here. It's got this first button, it's got the mute. The second part is the volume, minus and plus volume. And then I think this is for the headset. And then this is for echo. This is for headset, this is for echo. This is for volume. And this is for mute, as you can see. So I just love this. This is just perfect. I mean, just too perfect for me when I'm filming. I love this. I don't have to stress. So I'll look into the cable to see how I'm going to be connecting it. Let's see how we're going to do. Okay. Because this is a type C. Okay, this is it. So I think this will be going into a charger head or something. I believe this should go into a charger head. And this is for this. Let me see if there's anything extra. No. Yeah, I think that's all. So I'll just be checking this to know how to use it perfectly. And that's it about that, guys. So I recommend this mic. I haven't tested it, but I know that it's good because I checked the review and the review is very good on Amazon. Zealsound. So I love this and I'm going to be using this. You're going to see me using this mic henceforth. I'll figure out how to plug it in and make it work. I'll figure out how to plug this in and make it work. Or let me just try it now. So that's it, guys. I tried connecting it with my iPad. So I don't know. I'll try to see if it's working, but I know it will definitely work. So that's that about that. And I would check the handbook as well to know how best to use it. So going forward, this is our mic. So guys, another thing I noticed, which I just noticed not too long, is that it's got two I don't know what to call this inside of this pack. In fact, I'm so glad that my son found this out. Otherwise, I would have gone to throw this away, not knowing that it came with this. So right now, I just used my charger to connect it. This is my Type-C charger for my iPhone. I connected with my iPad. So obviously, these two stuffs here can go in this particular cord that came with it can be used for your system, your MacBook and the rest. But this particular I don't even know what to call it, you can obviously adjust it, to use for your Type-C charger or to use for your iPhone, depending on the iPhone you are using. I don't know if you can see that. So you can see how good this product is. You can see how good this is. So you can either use it for your iPhone directly into your phone to film, or you use with your type C iPhone or Android device and the rest. So this is very good and I sure love this a lot. Okay, so guys, thanks so much for watching this unboxing with me. So as always, you will be seeing a video on my end screen. Please do well to watch it as it's always going to be impactful. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate you. And until I come your way again next time, have an amazing day ahead. And bye for now.